What is up, fam? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make no glue slime. So, yeah, no glue slime. Yeah, I got it. Yeah. So, yeah. All you need is salt and chalk shavings, which is right in here. Then you need toothpaste, which is right in here. Pour how much your estimate of how much chalk shavings and you need a lot of salt and chalk. Now I need to go get some more salt, guys. I'll be back when they have more salt. I'm back, guys. I got more salt. Open this. Oh. Let's mix, guys. Mixing. You need when you keep on pouring the salt, that's when it just starts to come together. So need more salt. I'm not estimating how much salt. Guys, I'm just pouring in salt. This is the person that was in my noodle video. Huh? You remember you was in the noodle video? Oh yeah, back to getting salt.
To the phone, man.
Need some more salt.
So everything new. The truth.
Come on, guys.
Truth.
Guys, I just poured my whole hand. Forget it. I said forget it. And let's get this salt from over here. Here, guys, it's really working out. I put chalk shavings in it, blue, because whatever color you want, that's what color chalk shavings you put in. Keep mixing. Guys, I need more salt. I gotta get. Need more salt. More. Guys, you need a lot of salt. That's all I gotta say. I got this cup. Because I don't know what to do. I keep on having to get salt. I'll just pour some in this cup. There. About to bring this slime down here. So let's turn off my TV. guys. So, I'll be back when I have the right amount of salt. I forgot to tell you, leave it out for one day. That's when you start adding the salt. I didn't tell you guys that. Probably did it. I don't remember doing it, so I probably did it. But yeah, guys. You gotta mix in the salt with it too. You gotta get a napkin. Guys, this is how my bowl looks. Yeah. So you gotta just go in and pour. You got your slime, but I need to mix it a little bit more with, so my slime is almost hit a course more all over. And then this one is ready. Mix it all. So guys, the slime is ready. You need to put a whole half of a cup in this cup. So you guys have to put a half of like a bottom of a cup salt into your mixture. Look. Then I have to knead it, guys. You have to knead it. Your slime will be ready. Click it. You have to mix all that salt in. Mix all the salt in. Make sure all the salt is mixed in. Put it. Your slime's gonna be super good. Just let it sit for a little bit while it's made. Sit. Yep, guys. That's all I have for you. Hopefully it works out for you. The slime works out for you. I know you were saying that thing the whole time. Because I really didn't know. Okay, I'll show you the slime. First I have to wash my hands. Okay. Right here. Oh. Wash. You have to let it sit. Hopefully it works out for you. You have to let it sit when it's totally made. Adding a lot of salt is the key. I know the salt is like so weird, but you gotta do what you gotta do to get your slime ready. Yeah, I have glue. I'm just trying to get a lot of views, so hopefully it helps you make no glue slime. And the next step is glue slime. So yeah, this is how my slime looks. I'm about to show you the lighting. Look, this is the slime, and then this is the box. Just keep it in there for a little bit, and you have to put it in the freezer. The fridge for a little bit. I did not mix it up. I literally tried it, and it worked. So where's my small cup so I can put it in there for the freezer? I need my small cups. Right. Oh, here. Season to be jolly. La 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 la. Here's a reason to be jolly. Okay. Now to get this. This is the slime. No, this did not come in a slime package. The whole slime package. It's more like a Play-Doh-ish because I didn't mix the salt in, so it just feels like salt. It feels like salt. But when you put it in, put it in there. Okay, we're going to put it in the refrigerator. So how long it takes for yours to be wonderful? Yeah, it's going to stick to your hands a little bit when it's not in the freezer, so don't try to touch it a lot. It's going to break some of the slime from... So it's going in the refrigerator. Guys, so I'll be back with you guys when the slime is out of the fridge. By the way, I'm taking it out at 8:05 at the night. Yes, I have my PJs on. I know it's like it's in the morning, but I actually got my PJs on because it's night.